In this video, I wanted to take a look at some of the real benefits of the library feature in EmbroideryStudio that will no doubt save you time, and a tip for the Embroidery Connect device. First, we need to understand the power of the Wilcom native EMB file. The file contains an enormous amount of information, including design properties, fills, angles, stitch density, etc., thread colors, brand, object name, and even the style and color of the garment the files are to be stitched to. But did you know you can add tags, descriptions, instructions, and even the customer's name, all of which can be added during the design creation process and used to search and sort by in the library. For example, I can group my embroidery folder by customer name or search for a file by a tag or name. Here is an interesting example. The customer is Costume House, with 3 logos, 1 army and 2 fire logos. I can see these two are very similar in size, and it may be worth checking each to see if one can be deleted. Let's check for any other logo dealing with fire. Okay, here's another, but this one belongs to a different customer, and at a glance I can see they are slightly different in size. Now, normally each uniform for Custom House requires a name in a particular color and font style, so let's create it. The customer wants the same font as in the logo, so open the logo and delete everything else. Now just adjust the size and color. The customer name and other details remain in the file. I'll change the instructions for location and other details that need to be amended. Then save the file. I could save the file as Bob, but I'll call it Firefighter Name. You'll see why shortly. Now back to the library, and our name has been saved. The day comes to embroider 2 names on shirts, Jim and Fred. Find the name file in the library and simply change the letters. All the other information is already included in the file. Now, send to the Embroidery Connect device. Repeat with Fred. These files are conveniently stored with the customer's name for future use, and they take up a tiny 60, in this case 60.5 or 60 kilobytes of memory, but if you wish they can be deleted. Simply right click and delete, so long as you keep the master firefighter name file to retain consistent lettering properties.